Yogasth Bhava. Discipline. What is discipline? A discipline is much talked about, and it is said that if you want to achieve something in your life, whether in the spiritual world or in the mundane world, where you want to achieve success, where you want to reach some pinnacle of your profession, your career, or you want to pursue some other goals, discipline is said to be the primary and the basic condition. It is the very first requirement in your training, in your practice, that discipline should be cultivated. No doubt about it. But here in the coming workshop, I am going to tell you to reveal some yogic secrets of discipline. Yes, yogic secrets. What is discipline actually? Discipline comes from the word disciple. Yes, there should be a disciple in you. There should be a discipleship in you to be disciplined. And that discipleship does not directly concern with some guru or some preceptor or some teacher or something. The discipleship can be to some sankalpa, to some resolution, to some target, to some vows, to something such that can give you strength, power, that can guide you, that can keep you always on track and all. So you are going to learn some very good secrets, spiritual secrets, yogic secrets in the coming workshop on discipline. And together with it, you will get the discipline diksha, that is Anushasan diksha. Yes, of course, that may trigger and that may empower your sanskaras, where the discipline becomes a natural process in you, where you need not go through a very arduous and discomfortable journey to maintain discipline and to get something. Actually speaking, this is a mistake. This is a mistake among the people, those who understand that discipline is something routine, monotonous, mechanical and discomforting journey or practice or training by which you can gain something. No. Here in this coming workshop, you will learn, you will come to know the very fact of the discipline, that it can be dynamic, it can be comforting, it can be a relaxed state of your consciousness, and where under the discipline, under the discipleship of something, someone, you can definitely reach your goals. So let's join this workshop on discipline and get the much coveted discipline, that is Anushasan Diksha. Yogasth Bhava.